today we're gonna make shortbread cookies. And it only needs 4 ingredients. We have flour, of course, salt, some powdered sugar, and some butter, and the tray we need. First, we need you to put the icing sugar in. Put the salt. After salt, you mix everything together. We got to mix everything together. And now we can put some butter inside. Put all the butter in, and then all of the dough sticks together. It's kind of hard. Now, once you make it look like this, get a knife and start cutting it. Then place it on the tray and fork it. We'll put it in the oven for 20 or 25 minutes. Once you have the cookies out of the oven, if you want, you can put it in a container, or you can give it to some of your loved ones. I'm gonna place some in this container because I want to give it to my grandma and grandpa. Now sprinkle it with powdered sugar. To the remaining ones, if you want, you can sprinkle them with powdered sugar. Voila! I hope you've learned well how to make shortbread cookies. Bye, Care fans. Remember, be yourself and never change. Care out. Bye!